Sorry guys, the video cut off. Don't know why it did that randomly, but I think, yeah, these walks, I'm feeling great now. Like I had a headache earlier and it's gone, and it's nice just to like de-stress from everything. So yeah, it's just nice to de-stress. Nearly went then. I say de-stress. Oh, the trainers for this. Oh, we're not prepared. Definitely not prepared for that. But like I say, definitely, you know, people do want to get in contact. You know, subscribe, talk to me on comments, like, share, do all the usual stuff that people do now. I think, you know, I like to build a community where these walks can happen, you know, and the matter of fact, they are free unless you drive here. Now, you know, if you drive here, I mean, you can always drive here and relax a bit after, you know, there is that. But I think it's, you know, it's good. You know, I think it's going to be good for people. It will be good for people. And I know it will be, in my sense, you know, in my circumstances, I needed this. Because the way the world was with me the last couple of years, I don't know how, and I'll be honest, I don't know how I'm even carrying on sometimes. And I think it's purely because of what I'm doing. You know, I was in, and that was it, you know. I don't go into too much detail. Maybe in further videos I will. But I think, you know, I really do think that I